I just drag and drop several images to my Microsoft Word document, but unfortunately all of them are on separate pages. How can we put all of those pictures on one single page? Let's start by scaling them down so they can actually fit on one page. So select the image and head to bottom right corner, push it in, and the image will scale down. You can also click picture format if you got a certain size in your mind. Just be sure you are pushing the corner, not the side of it, because we don't want to change the aspect ratio like that. Alright, so seems like I make this image small enough, but the next one is still large. So let's go down and be sure that the next one is a bit smaller as well. And as you can see, at that point they will jump and be next to each other. So Word always try to add and remove pages as you need. So what we need to do as the first step is to scale your images down. Alright, and here it is, one more. We went from 6 to 4 pages, and now we got only 2 after we scaled the last one. Alright, so we got 2 pages, and now the question is, do I want to keep scaling this down to fit it all in? Or do I want to do a bit of freestyle when I can move my pictures around freely? Right now I cannot move them really, they kind of auto-align. But if I select my image, hit picture format and change how they wrap around the text here, I can do it something like here in front of the text, and that will give me the full freedom of moving the image around. So this can even overlap with another images. That's going to be another trick if you really want to fit multiple images here and you want to be able to move them freely using your hand. So if you feel like you want to move the image by hand, be sure you are changing this setting here instead of in line with text in front of the text. This will give you this freestyle drag and drop, and you can even change the rotation if you need. Alright, so the last one, I will change the setting for the very last one. And this way we managed to cram all of our pictures on a single page. So we move down from 6 to a single page. They're a bit smaller, they're overlapping a bit, but we managed to complete the task. What if I want this image to be behind the image here? In that case, I will need to again change the settings from in front of the text to behind the text. And now this image is clipped behind this one. Alright, so we cannot easily use, sometimes this bring forward, bring backwards, maybe gray out. In that case, we can depend on how we wrap the text around the image. So we can move between behind and in front of the text, and that should help you out as well. Alright, so we managed to squeeze all of those on single page. Nicely done. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.